Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another fun episode of English with Friends, the podcast where we learn English the natural way, like real people, real friends, and sometimes real disasters.
Yes, and before we begin, you know the rules. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us make more episodes, and it also makes Mr. B drink less coffee.
Hey, I need that coffee. But yes, please do it. Now, today's episode is all about the first day at school, or college, or a new course, or basically any moment when you walk into a room and think, oh no, where am I? What am I doing? Why is everyone staring at me?
Haha, yes, the first day always feels scary, exciting, and totally awkward. So today we will talk about our first day experiences, teach you useful English phrases, and have some fun.
So, Anna, do you remember your very first day at school, like when you were a kid?
Oh yes, very clearly. It was dramatic, very dramatic. Picture this, little Anna, cute dress, pink backpack, crying like a baby goat.
A goat?
Yes, I was like, meh, I don't want to go. My mom literally dragged me to class.
I can imagine the teacher going, "Welcome to school, kids. Oh, wow, this one is crying already."
Exactly. And the funny part, the moment I saw other kids playing with toys, I stopped crying in 1 second. Toys equals happiness.
Wow, fast emotional recovery. So, what did you learn that day?
I learned 2 important lessons. School is not a monster. If there are toys, Anna is happy.
Very educational. My first day was different. I didn't cry, but I walked into the wrong classroom.
Oh no, how wrong.
Very wrong. I walked into grade 6. I was in grade 1. I sat down. The kids looked huge. And I thought, wow, everyone grew very fast.
Haha, how long did it take before someone said something?
5 minutes. Then the big kid came to me and said, "Little boy, are you lost?" And I said, "No, but now maybe yes."
Okay, but what about later, like starting at a new school, when you're older? That one is even scarier.
Oh, yes, the new school experience. You walk in, you don't know anyone, and everyone looks at you like, new person detected.
Yes, and you're thinking, please, someone, be my friend. I swear I'm nice.
So what happened on your first day at your new school?
Well, I got lost 3 times.
Classic.
And the worst part, I was trying to find my classroom, but I kept opening the wrong doors. One door, storage room. Another door, teacher's office. Another door, the bathroom.
Oh, no.
So, I walked in and one girl inside screamed, "This is the girls' bathroom." And I was like, yes, I know. I am a girl. I just don't know where I am. But after an hour, I finally found my classroom. I sat down, took a deep breath, and my teacher said, "Anna, you are in the wrong class."
No way.
Yes, I changed rooms again. Basically, my first day was like a marathon around the school.
Okay, listeners, let's help you with some useful phrases you can use on your first day.
Yes, these are real, natural, friendly, simple phrases. 1. Meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm new here.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
2. Asking for help.
Excuse me, could you tell me where room 204 is?
Sure, it's upstairs on the left.
3. Introducing yourself in class.
Hi, everyone. My name is... and I'm from...
I'm excited to study with you.
4. Talking about how you feel.
I'm a little nervous. It's my first day.
Same here. Don't worry.
5. Starting a conversation.
Hey, what course are you taking?
Are you new too?
Now let's talk about college. The first day of college is like, wow, I'm an adult now, I think.
Yes, college is funny. Everyone tries to look confident, but inside, all of us are confused.
Exactly. Also, nobody knows the campus.
Yes, the campus map is like trying to read a treasure map from 1400.
Where is the library? Where is classroom B21? Why is everything far away?
My first day of college, I walked 20 minutes to the wrong building. Then I saw the sign, engineering department, and I thought, I am not engineering anything. I can't even fix my Wi-Fi.
So what did you do?
I asked a guy for help. He said, follow me. I'm going to the same building. He walked very fast. I ran. It felt like cardio exercise.
So, did you make friends?
Actually, yes, because when we got to class, we were both sweating. We looked at each other like, okay, we survived together. We are friends now.
The bonding of shared suffering. Let's talk about the funny things people do on the first day. Number 1, pretending to understand everything.
Teacher, any questions? Students, no. Students' brains, what is happening?
Number 2, sitting in the same place forever.
The seat you choose on day 1 becomes your seat for the whole year. It's destiny. You can't change it. Number 3, overthinking outfits.
What should I wear? Should I look smart, cool, friendly, mysterious? Should I wear sunglasses indoors? No? Okay.
Number 4, the notebook problem.
Buying new notebooks, then forgetting to use them.
Number 5, introducing yourself 1,000 times.
Hi, I'm Anna. Hi, I'm Anna. Hi again, I'm still Anna. Okay, now let's talk about something different. Starting a new course as an adult.
Yes, this is a whole different level. Because when you're older, you walk into the classroom and think, am I the oldest person here?
Or, do I still remember how to study? Or, why is the chair so small?
Exactly. But the good part is, adults are usually friendlier.
Yes, because nobody wants drama. Everybody is like, hi, let's just learn and go home.
But the best thing, adult classes always have one person who takes notes like a professional.
And one person who asks too many questions.
And one person who is always late.
And one person who says, sorry, I forgot the homework.
And one person who brings snacks. I love that person.
Okay, listeners, now we'll do a short role play. This is how you can talk on your first day.
Hi, is this the English course?
Yes, it is. Are you new here?
Yeah, it's my first day. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm MrB. Do you know where our classroom is?
Not really. I think it's room B12.
Same. I'm looking for it too. Let's go together.
Great. At least I'm not lost alone.
Are you nervous?
A little, but excited. You?
Same here. But don't worry, the teacher seems nice.
Good. I hope today's not too difficult.
If it is, we can suffer together.
Deal. And maybe after class, coffee?
Yes, friendship officially started.
Let's teach more useful expressions. 1. Asking about classes. Do you know what time the class starts? Is this seat taken? Are you in this class too? 2. Expressing feelings. I feel a bit nervous. I'm excited to start. I'm still getting used to this place. 3. Talking about schedule. What class do you have after this? My schedule is crazy today. 4. Making friends. Want to study together sometime? Do you want to grab lunch later? 5. Starting small talk. Where are you from? What are you studying? Why did you choose this course? Okay, time for my famous survival tips. Tip 1. Arrive early, so you have time to be lost. Tip 2. Smile. People are more likely to talk to someone who looks friendly. Tip 3. Don't pretend you know everything. You don't. I don't. Nobody does. Tip 4. Bring a pen. Someone will forget theirs. Usually Mr. B.
Hey, that was one time.
Tip 5. Talk to at least one person. Just say hello. It makes a huge difference.
Mistake 1. Don't sit in the wrong class. Like me, very embarrassing. Mistake 2. Don't dress too fancy. It's school, not the Oscars. Mistake 3. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Asking is better than being lost for 40 minutes. Mistake 4. Don't stay silent all day. Say something, anything. Well, the weather is weird today. Boom, conversation started. Mistake 5. Don't overthink everything. Everyone is nervous. You are normal.
You know what, Mr. B? I think the first day is actually very special.
Why do you say that?
Because it's the beginning of something new. New friends, new memories, new experiences.
You're right. And even if the first day feels scary, most people you meet are just like you, nervous, excited, and trying their best.
Exactly. And sometimes the people you meet on the first day can become your best friends.
Or your business partners? Or your future husband or wife?
Relax, Mr. B. This is not a romance podcast.
Before we end, I have one more first day story.
Oh no, this is going to be good.
On my first day of college, I walked into class, sat down, and realized I was in the teacher's chair.
No way.
Yes, the teacher walked in and said, "Excuse me, are you the professor today?"
What did you say?
I said, "Not today. Maybe in 10 years."
Okay, everyone, that's the end of today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed our stories, laughed a little, and learned some real, natural English for your first day at school or college.
And remember, your first day doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be the beginning.
Before you go, please
Like
comment.
and subscribe.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.
Take care, stay curious, and don't sit in the wrong classroom.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!